Hi, good afternoon, or should I say peaceful afternoon. I'm here to share some thoughts to you again. Thoughts na baka gusto mong gamitin, as we end this first month of the year. But yeah, we're about to enter February 2026, and what a way to end this month with these kinds of thoughts siguro. If you understood the title, then this is for you. But again, as I always do, disclaimers, hindi ito para sa lahat. I understand that if this kind of conversation is very basic to you, you find it boring, siguro. There's that, ano? But for those who want to, have these kinds of thoughts in their systems, in their daily lives, then you're very much welcome to tune in this conversation. Well, like I said kanina, we are about to end January 2026. Just want to share an experience again of mine. Just yesterday, I had a conversation with a friend, and we were having this conversation on a very good note. On a very high note pa nga in fact. But before we ended, like minutes before we ended, he asked me a question. Sabi niya, "Sir, why is life like this?" Sabi niya, I was taken aback immediately. Sabi ko, "Teka, ang ganda ng usapan natin. Bakit biglang ganyan yung tanong?" I was kidding when I asked him that. Pero ang point niya pala is this. Sabi niya, hindi naman sir. I don't mean anything in the question. I'm just curious kasi bakit parang everything is not falling into place. It seems to me that everything so far this year is not falling into place in a sense na parang hindi nasusunod yung mga gusto ko, parang hindi ko nagagawa yung mga gusto kong gawin, parang hindi umaayon sa gusto kong mangyari, yun nangyayari. No? And sabi ko naman, okay. And then I continued na, well, for one, nag-uumpisa pa lang naman tayo sa 2026. Hindi pa naman tayo nakakalayo. And secondly, sabi ko, perhaps you need to listen more sa sarili mo. Reflect, siguro. Pero I wanna share to you, sabi ko, a certain practice, I'm not sure, sabi ko sa kanya kahapon, if this practice applies to you. I'm not even sure, in the first place, kako, kung kapag ka ba narinig mo tong practice na to, magiging interested ka. Hindi ako sigurado na magiging interesado kang gawin itong practice din na to. But because you are my friend, I care about you, and please let me share this practice to you. Sabi ko sa kanya kahapon, since tinanong mo na lang din naman. Well, you can try kako by changing your definitions on certain words. Sabi ko sa kanya. And then sabi niya, ha? Paano naman yun, sir? Sabi ko, well, not to mean anything, but sabi ko, it's simple. But take note, it will never be easy. Sabi ko sa kanya. And then he went on asking, paano? Let's start with one word. Okay? Sabi ko sa kanya. And let me share this to you as well. This word, ito, lalagay ko dito. Ito mismo. Itong salitang to, itong word na to. Yan. This exact word na nakikita mo ngayon sa screen, sa office namin, we are trying our best not to mention this word. Okay? Weird ba? Sabi ko sa iyo sabi ko kanina, this is not for everybody. And this is part of that statement. If this is not for you, then okay, you can stop this video, stop watching this video na. But yeah, this word, itong word na to. In our office, let me just share to you. Sa office namin, hindi namin ito binibigkas. We are trying our best not to mention this word. Okay? One of the many words na sinusubukan namin araw-araw na hindi namin masabi, siguro. Pinapalitan namin siya ng word na to. Ayan. Ito yung pinapalit naming salita. Ito. Ito. Yan yung pinapalit naming salita. Okay. Lipat ko. Dito na lang. Okay. Ito yung pinapalit naming salita. This exact word is being substituted sa word na to. Yung word na challenge. And then, sabi ko sa kanya, yung kausap ko kahapon, yung friend kong kausap ko kahapon, why not changing your definitions on certain words? And you can start by changing the definition of this word. Okay? Pangalawa, kako, kung if you're successful in doing that, you can change the word itself. You can use other words in place of that word. Pwede mong palitan itong salitang ito. And mind you, maraming synonyms na pwede kang ipalit dyan. Okay? I won't go deep into foundational English language concepts. Pero you know what I mean. Alright? Again, in our office, we are trying our best. In fact, ako mismo, babiro kong sinisita yung mga academic tutors namin, yung mga partners namin sa team building activity facilitating, and then other professionals na kasama namin sa office. Pabiro kong sinisita kapag na-mention nila yung word na yan. Sabi ko, bakit hindi natin palitan ng salitang challenge? Okay. Well, I won't go deep also in defining the two. Pero, you know what I mean? This word, itong word na to, notice na hindi ko siya binibigkas kasi nga, it's been my practice since I read a certain book na ito yung pinupunto like 1.5 decades ago. To be honest, believe it or not, sa akin, whenever I see this word, I feel very uncomfortable. Hindi yung klase ng uncomfortability na talagang merong negative na effect sa akin. Hindi naman yung ganon. But I just feel uncomfortable whenever I encounter this word na para bang may konting irritation sa akin. Psychological cut for the lack of better sense. Basta, my point is parang right there and then, ayoko siyang i-mention. Ayoko siyang bigkasin. Ayoko siyang gamitin sa sentence. Ayoko siyang gamitin sa thought. Because I was able to train my mind that whenever I encounter this word, itong word na to, kailangan ko siyang palitan ng something else. In this case, challenge. Kailangan ko siyang palitan ng word na challenge kasi to me, I've trained my mind, I've trained my brain that this is never existing or this should never exist in my life. And in reality, sabi ko dun sa friend ko na yun kahapon, think of it. Is it shallow or is it deep? If it's shallow, I understand. If it's deep for you, congratulations. Because there's so many events happening in our daily lives na lagi nating ginagamitan nung salitang to. Ang entrada natin is, oh my, tayo. And you will agree with me for sure, 100%, kung naka-tune in ka pa rin hanggang sa part na to, that word is heavy. Yeah, yes, nakasanayan natin siya sa society natin. It seemed like, because this has become a very common term, a very common word sa society natin, hindi na natin napapansin that the very definition of this word is negative. Whereas, kung papalitan mo siya ng word na challenge, well, in fact, if you will just train your mind to, just like what I did some 15 years ago, siguro yon, I lost count. But you will realize that everything that we experience every day, siguro sige, okay, for argument's sake, not everything naman, every day. But most of the things, events, and experiences that we encounter every day are not challenges lang tong mga bagay na to. And once you master that kind of mindset, that mindset of changing your definitions on certain words, and sabi ko sa kanya, you will answer your question by yourself. Masasagot mo mismo yung tanong mo. I don't need to answer your question. But sabi ko sa kanya, ikaw mismo makakasagot sa tanong mo na yan. And sa mga iba pang tanong mo, o magiging tanong mo siguro, pwedeng masagot niyan lahat ng tanong na tinatanong ng mga taong pagod, ng mga taong nahihirapan, mga taong confused, mga taong malapit na sumuko. Okay? I talked about this from my previous conversation with you, that if you can only start focusing on the basics, this seems basic. Sabi ko nga kanina, for the third time, if this is not for you, then I'm okay with that. I don't mind. I understand. Okay? Kung para sa'yo, wala tong kwenta. Kung para sa'yo, masyado tong simple. Kung para sa'yo, masyado tong basic. Then I assume that if that's the case, hindi ka nagtatanong ng mga tanong na to. You're not asking these kinds of questions. But again, this is for people, just like my friend, whom I had a conversation with yesterday. If you're that person too, and marami kang tanong na parang nahihirapan kang hanapan ng sagot, maybe you can start by changing the definitions of certain words that you use, and ultimately, substituting better words, better defining words to those words na unconsciously in your subconscious nagagamit mo siya indiscriminately. Okay? Why not change your definitions? Why not change the words? And for sure, your days will be better. I promise you that. I tested it. Okay? Just want to share to you that to me it works. It's working. It's working. Okay? So, if you find value in this conversation, thank you so much. And we'll catch you again next time.